Hi! Happy Diwali! Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali comes from the word Diwali, which means row of lit lamps. So today I'll be celebrating Diwali with you all by lighting diyas, doing a rangoli, and making some delicious, decorative Diwali sweets. I'm going to take you along. For Diwali, we exchange gifts and sweets with friends and family. So today, I'm going to make kajukatli. Kaju means cashew and katli means small pieces. So it's cashew pieces. This recipe is from my mom and it is very easy to make. First, I'm going to make the sugar syrup. For that, I'm going to add a cup of water in a deep non-stick pan and add about 3/4 cups of sugar to it and keep stirring it till it forms like a syrupy consistency. I don't want it thick, but I want it runny. And I'm going to keep stirring it till it forms that consistency. Next, I'm going to pulse or blend 2 cups of cashews. I'm going to pulse it till it is smooth and there are no lumps in it. Next, lower the flame and sieve the cashew powder into the sugar syrup and stir constantly. Keep stirring till the mixture begins to thicken. And then add about a teaspoon of ghee and a little bit of cardamom powder to it and mix it nicely. Within a few minutes, you will see that the mixture is coming together. It took me about, I would say, 9 minutes for it to form together almost like a dough. That is the point when you know it is ready. Transfer the dough to a pan lined with a parchment paper. Within 2-3 minutes, the mixture is going to look smooth and little dry. That means it's time to roll it out. So I took another parchment paper and I put little ghee and then I rolled it in the form of or the thickness I wanted. Then I garnished it with little pistachios and added little saffron on top. Then I cut it into diamond shape. So kajukatli is ready to be eaten.